Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Umamusume Pretty Derby error code 395. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to create a new account. Many users shared that the error appears every time they enter their birth month. According to our research, this error is most likely related to temporary glitches, outdated game versions, or server issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart the game and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then close the game and restart your device along with your internet connection. Once restarted, launch the game again and check for the error. If the error still persists, then check if you need to update the game. If an update is available, install it and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then the issue is most likely server related. In this case, wait for some time and try again. At last, if you still get the error for too long, then you can choose to uninstall and reinstall the game. Just make sure to back up any data that might get deleted during the uninstallation process. Once the game is reinstalled, check for the error again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.